Homes Decor Designs, your trusted source for creating beautiful and functional living spaces. Today, we delve into a crucial aspect of outdoor living, the creation of a well-defined and inviting outdoor patio seating area ideas. But, before that, we want to ask your support to make this channel grow with subscribe to this channel, leave comment, hit the like button or share this video to your friends and family. Outdoor patio seating area. This space serves as an extension of your home, a sanctuary for relaxation, entertainment, and connection with the natural surroundings. Let us explore the essence of this vital outdoor feature and how to maximize its potential. To begin, it is essential to establish a clear understanding of what exactly constitutes an outdoor patio seating area. Fundamentally, it refers to a designated section of your patio, deck, or any paved outdoor space that is specifically furnished and arranged to facilitate seating and social interaction. Unlike general open patio space, a seating area is intentionally designed with comfort and functionality in mind. This involves the strategic placement of various seating elements, such as chairs, sofas, benches, and even ottomans, often complemented by tables for convenience. The primary purpose is to create a comfortable and aesthetically pleasing environment that encourages relaxation, conversation, and enjoyment of the outdoors. A well-defined seating area often incorporates elements like outdoor rugs to anchor the space, cushions and throws for added comfort and visual appeal, and sometimes even subtle demarcations like planters or low walls to delineate it from the rest of the patio. It's about creating an outdoor room where you can comfortably spend time with family and friends or simply unwind in solitude. The incorporation of a dedicated outdoor patio seating area yields a multitude of benefits that significantly enhance your lifestyle and the value of your property. Firstly, it extends your living space beyond the confines of your interior walls, providing an additional area for relaxation and recreation, particularly during pleasant weather. This expansion of usable space can be invaluable for homeowners who enjoy spending time outdoors or frequently entertain guests. Secondly, a thoughtfully designed seating area serves as an ideal setting for social gatherings. Whether it's hosting a casual brunch, an evening cocktail party, or simply enjoying conversation with loved ones, a comfortable and inviting seating arrangement fosters connection and conviviality. Furthermore, an outdoor patio seating area offers a tranquil retreat for personal relaxation. Imagine unwinding with a book, enjoying a morning coffee, or simply soaking in the ambience of your garden in a comfortable outdoor setting. This can significantly contribute to reducing stress and promoting a sense of well-being. Beyond personal enjoyment and social benefits, a well-appointed outdoor seating area can also enhance the aesthetic appeal of your property. It adds visual interest and creates a sense of outdoor sophistication, potentially increasing the overall value and marketability of your home. Finally, it encourages a greater appreciation for the outdoors, prompting you and your family to spend more time in nature, enjoying fresh air and sunlight. Achieving a visually appealing outdoor patio seating area requires careful consideration of various design elements. The goal is to create a cohesive and inviting space that reflects your personal style while harmonizing with the surrounding environment. Begin by defining the purpose and flow of your seating area. Consider how you intend to use the space, for dining, lounging, or a combination of both, as this will influence the type and arrangement of furniture. Next, focus on creating a focal point. This could be a striking piece of furniture, a captivating outdoor rug, or even a well-placed fire pit. Arrange your seating around this focal point to create a sense of visual balance and intimacy. Incorporating texture is crucial for adding depth and interest. Introduce a variety of materials through cushions, throws, rugs, and even the furniture itself. Woven materials like rattan and wicker, smooth metal, and plush fabrics can all contribute to a richer sensory experience. Color plays a significant role in setting the mood. Opt for a palette that complements your home's exterior and the natural surroundings. You might choose vibrant hues for an energetic feel or more muted tones for a serene atmosphere. Don't underestimate the impact of accessories. Outdoor pillows and throws not only enhance comfort but also provide opportunities to introduce patterns and colors. Outdoor safe items like lanterns, sculptures, and small potted plants can further personalize the space. Finally, consider the integration of lighting. String lights, lanterns, or even strategically placed spotlights can create a warm and inviting ambience, extending the usability of your seating area into the evening hours. Remember to choose durable, weather-resistant materials that can withstand the elements to ensure the longevity of your outdoor decor. The selection of appropriate items is paramount in creating a functional and comfortable outdoor patio seating area. The best items will depend on your specific needs, the size of your space, and your personal style, but certain categories are essential. Foremost is the seating itself. Consider a variety of options such as outdoor sofas and sectionals for lounging, individual armchairs for relaxed conversation, and benches for versatile seating. Choose materials that are specifically designed for outdoor use, such as rust-proof aluminum, weather-resistant wicker or rattan, or durable teak or acacia wood. Ensure that cushions are made from water-resistant and fade-resistant fabrics. A coffee table or side tables are indispensable for placing drinks, snacks, and items. Opt for materials that complement your seating and are easy to clean. An outdoor rug can significantly enhance the comfort and visual appeal of your seating area, defining the space and adding texture and color. Choose a rug made from durable, weather-resistant materials like polypropylene or jute. Consider incorporating shade solutions such as umbrellas, pergolas, or awnings to provide relief from the sun and extend the usability of your space during hot weather. Outdoor lighting fixtures, including string lights, lanterns, and pathway lights, are essential for creating ambience and ensuring safety during the evening. Finally, accessories like outdoor pillows, throws, planters with weather-tolerant plants, and even small outdoor sculptures can add personality and complete the look of your seating area. When selecting items, prioritize durability, comfort, and aesthetic cohesion to create an outdoor space you will enjoy for years to come. To provide you with further inspiration, here are 10 excellent outdoor patio seating area ideas, each with a unique approach to style and functionality. 1. The Cozy Conversation Nook. This setup focuses on intimacy and connection, featuring 2 comfortable armchairs or a small love seat arranged around a low coffee table. Soft cushions and a small outdoor rug create a warm and inviting atmosphere perfect for quiet chats. Add a small side table for drinks. 2. The Versatile Sectional Lounge. Ideal for larger patios, a modular outdoor sectional sofa offers flexible seating arrangements. It can be configured for large gatherings or rearranged for more intimate settings. Include an ottoman for added comfort and a larger coffee table for serving. 3. The Rustic Farmhouse Retreat. Incorporate natural materials like reclaimed wood benches and wicker chairs. Use neutral-toned cushions and add textured throws. Incorporate galvanized metal accents and potted herbs for a charming, down-to-earth feel. 4. The Modern Minimalist Oasis. Embrace clean lines and simple forms with sleek metal or concrete furniture. Opt for a monochromatic color scheme with pops of a single accent color through cushions or a small item. Keep the space uncluttered and focus on functionality. 5. The Bohemian Chic Escape. Mix and match colorful patterned cushions and throws on low-slung seating like floor cushions or poofs combined with a small, intricately designed coffee table. Incorporate lanterns, string lights, and potted plants with lush foliage for a relaxed and vibrant vibe. 6. The Elegant Dining Lounge. Combine a comfortable outdoor dining set with a separate, smaller seating area featuring plush armchairs or a love seat and a low table. This allows for both dining and relaxed conversation in the same outdoor space. 7. The Tropical Getaway. Utilize rattan or bamboo furniture with vibrant, floral-patterned cushions. Incorporate lush tropical plants, outdoor lanterns, and perhaps even a small water feature to evoke a vacation-like atmosphere. 8. The fire pit gathering spot. Center your seating arrangement around a fire pit. Use comfortable Adirondack chairs or a circular bench to encourage socializing around the warmth and ambience of the fire. Add small side tables for drinks and snacks. 9. The balcony bistro set. Even smaller outdoor spaces can benefit from a cozy seating area. A small bistro table with 2 comfortable chairs is perfect for enjoying morning coffee or an intimate evening meal. Add a small potted plant for a touch of greenery. 10. The covered porch sanctuary. If your patio is covered, consider more plush outdoor furniture options. Incorporate an outdoor rug, comfortable armchairs with ottomans, and a small side table for creating a cozy outdoor living room feel. Add soft lighting and pillows for added comfort. A well-designed outdoor patio seating area is an invaluable addition to any home, providing a space for relaxation, entertainment, and connection with the outdoors. By carefully considering the meaning and benefits, thoughtfully approaching decoration, and selecting the best items for your needs, you can create an outdoor oasis that enhances your lifestyle and the beauty of your home. We hope this guide has provided you with valuable insights into creating your ideal outdoor patio seating area. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to Homes Decor Designs for more expert tips and inspiration on home decor and design. Share your own outdoor seating area ideas in the comments below. Again, thank you for watching this video. Hope you like it and get useful inspiration from it. Let me know what's your favorite design ideas in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel, Homes Decor Designs. Hit and smash the bell button so you never missed our new informative and inspiring videos in the future. Thank you and see you on the next videos.